Good morning. Aliyah. Good morning, baby girl. Whoop. Goes Daddy's stress ball. It is 6 in the morning, September 3rd, 2019. Aliyah is awake, ready to make a cell, huh? See, let's make a cell today, Dada. She's my little buddy during the day, huh? I try to squeeze calls in while she's asleep, because she's not quite to that age yet where she can be left alone, huh? And when I mean left alone, I just mean like in the other room. She's very social. And she's got a little cold, huh? Hey, you say bye-bye? You got a little drool. You say bye-bye to everybody, huh? Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one.